Guess I'll grab the old toolbox and try to get this crooked tie rod back on the old straight and narrow. Okay guys, looks like we have a cotter pin, and this is called a castle nut right here, and the cotter pin goes right through the center of it. Now this is something that's definitely you want to replace. All you do is just kind of work it out there a little bit. Okay, the castle nut is 19 millimeters, lefty loosey. We're not going to take it all the way off. We're going to let it just kind of sit there, because when we knock this loose, we want it to hold it. We don't want it to just fall down and bounce. Now, you could actually use a puller for this, or you could just take the old adage and hit it right here. You hit it right here on the steering knuckle and it should bounce. Go ahead and just put a little marker to it. And the idea is we're going to put a little mark on, there you go, just so it's nice and prevalent. Tie rod back on, all you got to do is spin it back to that and twist it back around half a turn and you're there. Okay. Okay, so here we go, we're lined up. We're just going to take it back just a little bit. There we go, just enough to, not even a full turn. Okay, and then all we have to do at that point is just move this castle nut out of the way and she will drop with no problem. Of course, we're going to repeat this on each side. Take our little castle nut off. By the way, my gloves just broke, so I don't want to hear any lecturing. And this equipment that I'm using, it's sensitive to your touch, so I have to be kind of careful. You see I'm kind of just, there we go. And as you can see right here is where the line originally was. You see I've got this line right here, so this line right here we're going to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. At 24 she falls off. And it made it around to 24 and came off. And so that's how you take off a tie rod in. By the way, I would recommend getting the vehicle aligned. You'll get it pretty close doing this, but an alignment always helps. Okay guys, nothing to installing the tie rod in. Remember we counted 24, so we'll start with the, see the line I got right there? So I just want to fill it when she goes. Alright, so that's my first one, so I'm going to do 23 more real quick. Okay, there's 24. We're going to turn around, manipulate the ball joint. You're going to pull it up. Grab your castle nut. Make sure the castle nut faces up. I know, it seems like it would be obvious, but hey, you never know. If somebody tells you, you don't really know it. This is a weird thing hanging off my hand. Okay, the torque on the ball joint, I'm sorry, it's actually the crown nut is 35 to 45 pounds. Down, and then turn. I'm going to bust the camera if I do it on camera, but you just torque it down, and then also I can't really get in the way of the camera, but I'm going to have to hit the pinch bolt right there. You can see that's almost a perfect alignment. But anyway, put the pinch bolt in, boom. I'm going to go ahead and do this out of the way of the camera. Put our little cotter pin in. You just slide it in, a brand new one. Some people just bend it over. That's what she said. Anyway, some people just bend it as one piece, but I like to separate them. There we go. Hold on. Alright, I'm just going to make sure this bolt stays in here for a minute. And then see if I can get the other side here. Okay. So now we have a cotter pin in and we are all installed, guys. Nothing to it. Now let's get this wheel on here.